Hello dear kids, welcome back to your GK class. So children, we have completed till chapter number 10 and today we are going to start chapter number 11 Dress Up. And as you can see, there are 4 children who is having their backpacks and they are going for the vacation. Lucky them, we are not now we are not allowed to go for our vacation due to this pandemic, so we help them to arrange their bags. So children, I have prepared few slides related to the chapter. I will just explain this chapter and then you complete this chapter. And this is our classwork page, things used at work. So children, as you can see, here are people with different jobs. They do different work. And here are the tools. In the previous chapter, we have learned few person and their jobs, and here the tools. And I have given you one fun worksheet related to that also. So here we will just do the matching. But as I told you, we will not just match with the pictures. We just have to draw a line in between and just write the correct alphabet in between. So children, I have prepared the few slides related to the chapter and we will see this chapter as well. So what are we waiting for? Let's move to see the slide. Children, as I told you, we have this chapter. Although I have not prepared slides related to this chapter, but I am going to explain how you have to do this. So children, as the first child has opted number 3, and we will see what is there in number 3. So he has opted t-shirt. Now we need the pair which we will wear with the t-shirt. So what we wear with the t-shirt is a pant, a jeans, a pair. This is jeans. So t-shirt and jeans is in the combination. So we will write number 3 and number 11. So number 3 is already there. Then we have mentioned number 11. Then what the child will wear in his feet. So that is sneakers. So he has opted sneakers. Then a backpack. Then he required to carry few more things like books, like storybooks and crayons, etc. So he will carry a backpack too. So that the first child is ready with his bag. Now second. So she has opted stockings. Number 2. So she has opted stockings. And then number 10 means a t-shirt or kind of blouse she has opted. So number 2 and number 10. So 2 things she has opted. Now which all thing? She has to wear shoes also. So she has opted this pair of shoes. And she because she has opted stockings, so she has to wear the shorts or skirt also. So she has opted skirt. Number 16. So these all 4 things are there in her bag. Because she is carrying already backpack, so she will not take any backpack kind of thing. So this that girl is ready with her bag. Now another boy. So the boy is going to take a sweater, number 1. And then number 7, because this he is going to a cold place, so he has opted sweater. Then along with sweater he needs a cap. And now because he is going to cold place, so his shoes is not a flip-flop or sneaker. He has to carry boots and woolen trouser also, because he is going to a cold place. Okay, so all woolen things he has carried. So his bag is ready. Now the girl is left. Now let's see what is left for her. Uh, she has to carry flip-flops as a slipper. It means she is going to a beach area. So we use flip-flop because we have to go to the beach and we play with the sand. So flip-flop. And next is because the weather is sunny, so she has to carry a hat. And what else? The purse or the pouch, a small pouch where she can keep the comb and few suntan cream. So these are the things she can carry: the sun safe, sun guard, or a comb, or small things she can carry. And the last thing she is carrying, a dress, and the dress should be trendy, a summer one. So she's carrying a summer dress. So children, we have covered this chapter. Now we will move chapter number 12. So children, now we have this next chapter, and the chapter name is things used at work. So there are different person who does the job, like farmer. So what things he required for farming? It's a tractor and sickle. So there are many things, but here if we want to know the main things, why do a farmer use sickle? Because he has to cut the crop, and tractor for his field. Okay, now next we have cobbler. Cobbler mend my shoes. Okay, so what all things required, or what all thing he used in his work, are hammer, cobbler's anvil. Children, most of the time this you have seen near with the cobbler. So this is called cobbler's anvil, and this chisel also. So these are the things which he required for his work and which he used in his work. And next we have baker. Wow, when I name the baker, I always remember the cake, pastries, yummy yummy pies and breads. So what all things he used? So oven gloves, most important, oven gloves, because things are too hot. So he used oven gloves, and he take out the cakes and breads. Now next we have tailor. And what do you remember when we talk about tailor? Stitching. Okay, so what things required while stitching? Sewing machine and scissors, and you can say thread, needle also. Now next we have fisherman, because he has to catch fish. So what things required? Fishing net and fishing rope. Now next we have gardener. Gardener is the one who takes care of our plants. So he needs watering can, gloves and gardening tools. Few of gardening tools we can see at our home also. Next we have flight attendant. Where do we see this flight attendant? In aeroplane. So most of the time he or she serve food for us. So she needs. Now cartoonist. So as a painter, cartoonist also need sketchbook and paint. And tattooist. Okay. Do you know tattooist? Who is tattooist? Who makes tattoos on our body. So what things he required, or what is the things which help him to work? Tattoo machine. And last we have disc jockey. Wow, he plays music in the parties. So what things he required, or what things helps him to work are pioneer and headphone. So children, this is today's chapter. This is chapter number 12. So at the end, as you all know, we read whiz fact, and the whiz fact is a quiz master needs no tools, only a brain and lots of knowledge and a list of fun questions. Why lots of knowledge? Because if somebody answers, so he should know the reason also behind it, children. And a quiz master carries cue cards, the cards which he or she has in his hand is called cue card. So children, that's all we have in our chapter name. Again, I'm going to read things used at work. We will write classwork and today's date, and we will complete this chapter. And children, see you next time. Till then, bye bye. Happy learning.